In the heart of our ever-changing world, where space becomes a luxury and memories overflow our homes, lies the untold story of a solution as old as civilization itself: self-storage. Our journey begins in the bustling streets of ancient China, where clay pots held the treasures of merchants. Fast forward to the 1960s in Texas, USA, the first modern self-storage facility opened its doors, revolutionizing the way we store our possessions. As the decades passed, self-storage grew from a niche to a necessity, mirroring society's evolving lifestyle. The late 20th century saw a boom, with facilities sprouting up to accommodate the increasing mobility and material possessions of the average person. Innovation took center stage as the new millennium dawned. Climate-controlled units, state-of-the-art security, and digital access transformed self-storage into a sophisticated, customer-focused industry. Today, as we stand on the brink of a new era, self-storage is not just about space, it's about smart, sustainable solutions. The future promises even more personalization, eco-friendly practices, and technology-driven services. From ancient pots to digital locks, the evolution of self-storage mirrors our own journey. As we continue to adapt, one thing remains constant: the need to preserve what we hold dear. Whether you're moving, decluttering, or simply safeguarding your treasures, remember that the story of self-storage is also your story. And if you're looking for a place that understands this history and your needs, visit Arcos Storage at www.arcosstorage.com. Discover how we're shaping the future of storage today.